Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmix Wonderland, and in today's video I'm going to be vlogging. I've been feeling extremely creative and I'm getting into DIYs. Crazy. I am at Hobby Lobby. It's time to get DIY crafty. I want to bring you guys along with me while I shop through Hobby Lobby to get what I need for a Halloween DIY project that I am thinking about. And also, I'm remodeling my YouTube studio, my makeup studio, my studio room, the room that I do everything in, basically. Like, it's the room where it all happens. I'm remodeling. I am getting, like I said, extremely creative. It's all coming back to me now that I'm getting off of those meds. I am becoming more of myself, just like clearer, and I discussed all of that in my I've been having seizures video. So I was taking some meds for bipolar. I was misdiagnosed from like 12 to 24, just now getting me off of them. I've been off of them for like 2 months and I'm really coming into wholeness. I feel more clear and more connected with more of who I am, who I always was. It's hard to explain. With that, my creativity is coming back and I'm feeling extremely, I keep saying extremely. Sorry. I am overwhelmingly inspired and I've been watching a lot of DIY videos. Amber Scholes is amazing. There are so many more that I could just dish out here right now. But let's get into Hobby Lobby and let's see if I can find all of the things that I need to do my DIY projects. Alright, so come on, let's go! Wait. Aren't you coming? Are you coming with me? Come on, let's go. So I found flatback Swarovski crystals or rhinestones, whatever, which is what I need for my Rio Carnival costume. However, I'm covering an entire bikini, and just take a look at these. $5 for that mini. That would legit cover this much space on a swimsuit. For $5? I don't want to go broke over sparklies. Maybe I don't want Swarovski. I'm gonna keep looking. Maybe I could find something else. They have a bunch of cute patches too, which I've thought about doing patches in between my halo lights on that pink fabric, but I don't know, like they have cute ones. Like I want this one, but it's so small and it's 2, and by the time I attach 20, that's expensive, you know? I want to be DIY crafty, but on a budget. So let's keep looking. Look what I found, you guys. These are plastic, but they're like much bigger, super colorful for Rio. Still kind of expensive, but for how big they are, they'll cover more space for the money. I need an X-Acto knife, and here we go. I'm gonna get this one because it's cheaper. Finally found this section. Oh my gosh, I have been up and down probably 10 aisles looking at everything, like where is what I need? And I just found like a ton of flat back, like choices and choices. Like, I'm in heaven right now. Look at all these different flat backs. Flat back, like all of it. Those are really pretty. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna put my camera away so I can pick out exactly what I want. I'm just so glad I finally found my section. Got the styrofoam. Now I'm getting flowers. The choices. I like these. They're as tall as me. I was going to do something really cute. I was getting all set up and I had my camera ready and I was gonna pick out a ton of flowers act all cutesy dootsy and throw them up in the air. Of course I would have cleaned up. I am not that type of person, but it would have been super aesthetic, especially for my video. However, a customer did walk down the aisle. I showed up right as soon as they opened. I was actually early, but you know, can't go in until they open. And I thought that, you know, there wouldn't be this issue, but this did keep happening. And I don't record people like when I'm in a store who aren't participating. So I covered my camera with flowers because I didn't want her to think like anything weird. Like, I'm just a girl recording myself being silly, doing what I do, like, but some people don't understand what the tubes is yet. So out of respect, yeah, I did hide my camera. And I was hoping she would be like quick and I could still do it, but obviously not. So we're gonna just move on. I'm so sorry. Hey everyone, so I'm driving home. I ended up getting everything, well, I believe I got everything that I needed from Hobby Lobby for my DIY projects. I'm working on a flower wall thing. That's one. And then my Rio Carnival costume for the show that I'm gonna be in at the end of July. I got what I needed for those things, and they're in the back seat. I'm headed home. I have an appointment to get to in about 2 hours or so, but it took me about 2 hours to do the DMV and Hobby Lobby, and I can't entertain myself for another 2 hours. So I'm just gonna go home. So I'm driving back to Pueblo West. For everyone who's like, do you really live in Pueblo West? Yeah, I do. I live in Colorado. Love it. It's slightly too chill for me though. When I went to LA, I was like, damn. You know, when you feel home, but you've never been there before. It's just like, it's calling to me. It's calling. I told my husband I'm so excited to show you my haul. I also need to show you guys my haul of all the craft stuff that I got. You didn't see all of it. Some of the stuff I tried to record, I just couldn't because even though I went right when they opened, trying to get there before everyone else so I wouldn't accidentally record anyone or weird anybody out when they're like, what is this girl doing? And I'm like, just got my camera in my face. And I will haul for you guys too. So let's see all of the stuff that I got for my DIY projects. So you understand what I'm working on. My best friend, Jess, gave me this wooden, you hang it on your wall, A for Ashley, and I've had this, I've been hanging on to it for over a year. Didn't know what I wanted to do with it. At first I thought I would burn it, but not the best wood burner. So I thought, what else could I do? I decided I'm going to turn this into a flower wall styled A. So what I got from Hobby Lobby for this DIY creation is this giant styrofoam board. It was $12, yikes. It's this wide. I think it'll be wide enough. I'm gonna cut it in the shape of the wooden A, and I will use E6000 glue to put the styrofoam on the wood in the correct format. And then using an X-Acto knife to cut the styrofoam. So I had to get one of these. I don't have one of these, so I got one here. And I also got the flowers for the wall. Well, the flower A wall. I don't know. I'm going AWOL over here. It's yellow sunflowers, baby blue. These look like baby roses. And then I got big pink roses. And I don't know if you could tell, but they have little fake water droplets. How cute! I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And for my Rio Carnival DIY costume that I am making, I got, let's start with the feathers. I got these beautiful feathers for the back of my costume. They have glitter on them. I think these are gonna look phenomenal. I got these jewels, flat back, little rhinestones. This set here, I did use my 40% off coupon on these. Had to get them. There are so many different styles and colors. And then these are all just circles, and they're different colors than these. These are more like darker. I don't know. I like these so much. I cannot wait to start DIYing, you guys. I cannot wait. I'm gonna make videos of me working on these projects so you guys will get to see my attempt at DIY success. Feel inspired, be inspired by my shopping trip. I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, me and my crystals will stay fantabulous for you guys.